Lelikhaya lasungulwa ngonyaka u-1918 ukusiza abantu ababeyisisulu zodlame lwempi yesibili yomhlaba. Kusukela lapho amakhulu ezingane athutheleka kulelikhaya ukuzothola impilo engcono.
They're all here as placed by the courts, so they all come from troubled backgrounds of some description. Some are orphans, some are coming from abused homes, some are coming from alcohol and drug issues. There are many different reasons for them being here.
Lelikhaya linezisebenzi ezingama-27 ezisengcupheni yokulahlekelwa umsebenzi ngenyanga ezayo.
Izandichaphazela ngoba angeke nisakhona ukubeka ukutya etafuleni ebantwaneni bami. Nangona ndingasakwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto, baye banithatha e-Epworth ngokwazi uthando lwami kwabantwana. Bandibuyisa ndasebenza, ndenza ezo zinto zincinanana. Kum naba bantwana ilahleko esinayo inkulu kakhulu.
Lesi sikhungo kunzima ukuthi sisebenze njengoba singayitholi ngesikhathi imali yesibonelelo ebuya emnyangweni wezenhlalakahle eGauteng. Umnyango wezenhlalakahle uthi into eyenza kubambezeleke ukukhokhela lesi sikhungo ukuthi sithatha isikhathi ukuthumela isitifiketi sikamasipala sokusebenza.
Why would they have needed to go to the extent of saying they don't have money, they want to close down and so forth, on matters where they could have just simply discussed with us and we discussed with them how they can be able to utilize savings in the meantime and so forth whilst the processes of signing the new SLAs are concluded.
Lelikhaya belizogubha iminyaka eyi-106 lasungulwa ngoLwezi kulonyaka.